Hello guys, welcome for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money. So as you already know, in this channel we talk about many things, and we are especially talking about how to make money online. That's why I'm saying how to win the money game, because it's the part of the money game. So today I want to talk about let's say 5 tools that you need as an affiliate marketer. You know, in my previous videos, if you haven't watched it, I will put a link below in the description or somewhere just about. But for me, I think that affiliate marketing is one of the greatest business opportunity that we have here, and I will make a lot of videos or another videos detailing those facts and show you how you can get started. But if you are already in, this video is for you. You don't want to miss it. So please, before we go further, I want to ask you for a little I want to ask you for a great favor. Please don't forget to go below and subscribe to my channel right now. So I won't just say, let's dive in. All right, guys. All right, that's fine. So I want to show you. I'm going to share my screen and show you which are the tools that you really need in order to get started. You know, many great entrepreneurs says, and I believe it too, that when you want to start something as an online business, always think big, but remember, start small. So today I'm going to show you some free tools that you can use in order for you to start small and start to have some results. And don't forget, once you have some great results, you can always increase and do more. These tools are just for you to begin, are just there for you to start to do something, because a lot of people are frustrated, are just making a lot of excuses because they say, I don't have the money, I don't have the tools, I don't have this and that. But today I want to give you those tools in order for you to start jump into the game and start to make results for yourself. So without further ado, let's just dive in, and I'm going to share my screen. All right, so what is the first tool I want to share with you? So the first tool that I think that you really need is WordPress. It's completely free and it's easy to use, boy. In fact, I've started to use WordPress just I want to say few weeks ago. I've watched some tutorials and some videos, and it's a tool that I really recommend, because a lot of great websites of great online entrepreneurs that you know right now and today are using this tool in order to start to build their business. Why you need it? Because internet is the new business, but also because you want to build your brand. You cannot build a brand if you don't have a website. So the first tool that I will recommend to you, even if you are not starting to blog or starting to create a lot of blog posts, you still need to have your website, and I mean your domain name, registered and secured. So WordPress is the website that you really need in order for you to design your website. In my description, you will see a link to my website that I've designed by myself. So it's the first tool you need. How can you get started with WordPress? It's completely easy. You just have to click on that start button, and once you've done that, you're going to come here where you will just need to create an account, fill it with your information, your email, you choose your username, and once you've done that, you are ready to go. You are ready to go. So before that, I didn't mention that, but you will also need to buy a domain name. I will make a video about several domain name providers and which one is the best and which one I've used. But it's something that you can do. And once you have a domain name, the next thing for you to do is to host that domain name. And for me, the website that I'm using right now to host my domain name is called SiteGround. I make some research, and I found that it was the best one. It was very quick in the way of downloading image, or in the way of working. It's a quick website. In fact, it's the #1 according to many polls. So that's why I get this one. And you know, the other cool thing you have with this website, you can create a lot of email, personal email, you know, as you start your business, how you start to build your list. We're going to talk about it later, but you really need to have some email marketing. I mean that an email which is not like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, but an email which is made according to your brand, according to your website name. So this tool allows you to have as many as you want. And compare it to other websites, you have to pay for just 1, 2, or 3. But this website, this hosting website, allows you to have as many as you want. That's a cool thing with this one. So once you have created your website with WordPress, the next step for you is to come here and host that website in order for people to start to see you online. So the next step, the next tool that you really need as a non-land or as an affiliate marketer, remember, this is the free tools that you really need in order to get started in your business. The next tool you really need is an email collector. Yeah, I'm going to call it like that. You know, it's the website that I'm showing you right now is called Builder Role. Is this website allows you to build a sales funnel, to build email, to build your email list, to send emails, build autoresponders. So it's a great website for beginners. I know that there are a lot of other websites such as ClickBanks or Katra will do the same thing and even better. But here I'm talking for those who want to get started. And don't forget, you need to start small, and after that you can increase to those websites. The things I like with this website is that you can have a free plan, and that plan, you know what, you have, let's see here, you have different plans. The free plan allows you to have 100 subscribers for free. Of course, your domain cannot be connected, but it's not really a problem, because the reason why I've shown you this website is to tell you that as you get started online, you need to have a website, you need to host it, you need to have a tools in order for you to start to collect emails and build your email list, because it's one of the most important things. And the other thing that you have with this website is that you can design a landing page. The landing page is that web page that allows you to collect emails. So you can have this website until you have 100 subscribers for free. 100 subscribers is not a lot, but I think that it's something we cannot neglect. If you have 100 people in your email list, it's huge. Let's say you are promoting a product to those 100 people, and if just the half of them buy the product, it can really allows you to upgrade and your plant and even come here. So for me, I will recommend you to start with this one. And let's say you have started with this one and you get some sales from your email list. The other website that I really recommend you in order for you to keep on building your list, and it's really affordable, is called GetResponse. And actually this is the website I'm using right now, and I'm still on the basic plan because I think that having 1,000 subscribers in your email list, it's huge, guys. It's huge, and it's completely cheap. You can have it for here is, you see, in euro because I'm in Europe, but if you are United States, whatever country, you're gonna see with the currency of your country. But for the United States, I think that it's 15. You know, it's really affordable. You can get started with that, and once you start to make some sales, you start to have a great ROI on what you have invested, you can decide to upgrade to other levels. So that's it. That was the tools I wanted to share with you. And don't forget, if you like this video, go below and subscribe to my channel, and I say you bye bye and take care. That was Seal for Tremendous Generation. Ooh. Stop.